This is Vajra Academy, Nepal's first green and eco-friendly school. The school is not green only because of its alternative energy technologies installed over here. The most important thing is what the students learn at the school. Today, 4th November 2014, the students are gathering near the paddy field to harvest it. For this, they had participated also to sow these. So today, they are here to harvest the paddy they sowed. Now I'm going to take you through the paddy field where the ceremony to harvest this is going on. And we see the students are cutting it by themselves. The teachers are helping these kids to know how to do it. So it looks like we have a good harvest. Didi, namaskar. यो कति मुरी जति होला त?
त्यस्तै होला 6 मुरी त।
6 मुरी जति। खुसी लागिरहेछ तपाईलाई?
मलाई खुसी लागिरहेछ किनभने पछि आफ्नो घरमा छैन खुसी लाग्छ नि हैन?
त्यही त। हस् धन्यवाद।
खुसी लाग्छ।
So we see more students here who are cutting the paddy. I would like to talk to Samir here. Samir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What are you doing here?
I'm cutting paddy.
Do you like it?
Yes, sir.
And were you also involved to sow this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? So you saw it, how it grew, and now you're cutting it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello, boys.
Yes, sir.
Ramari, what are you doing?
I'm cutting paddy.
Why? So were you also involved to sow these paddy?
So this paddy means?
To grow this for the first time when you planted it?
Yes, sir.
So how do you feel to grow it, to plant it yourself and to harvest it?
Interesting.
Yes? So do you learn how to grow?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Karan,
Yes, sir.
so what do you think about this kind of program? Is it good that we do it in schools?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because we can do in future.
We can do in...
Any instruction we can know. Now from our school level, we can do in future.
So do you think the people who work as farmers are doing great job?
Yeah.
Why? Why do you think it's important to grow?
Because many people are dying with hunger. So to reduce that, we need to grow.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir.
So the students have already caught a lot for this morning, and there's many others waiting for their turn eagerly to do this. I'd like to ask some students over here. Here I have Anish. Anish, do you think it is important that we learn it in schools?
Yeah, I think it's important because in other places there are some people who don't have fields and other things, and there are some children like us, there are some teenagers like us who are living in city area but don't have any fields to work on. So working in school makes them experience the thing that how the food they eat, experience how it comes, and they'll learn many things. I think it's very good.
Okay, you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
And do you feel very happy that you're part of a green school?
Yeah, I'm very happy. I think I'm
Why?
because I don't know. We in my there is village, but I don't go to the village and work there, and my parents don't allow me to work on it. So coming here is today is my first experience while cutting the crops, and I felt good. And sometimes I dream about living all those dreams of being a doctor, engineer, and just working on the fields and living a happy life.
Okay, thank you. These students are really excited to do this, as we see over here. And it seems like we are going to have a very good harvest, very good growth this year. And the paddy that we've grown here is organic. We have not kept any chemical fertilizers. So this is a small initiative that Vajra Academy has taken.